Hi, this is Nelson.
This is my lovely wife, Malusha.
And we're passionate believers of an organic and fair trade way of life.
So today we're going to show you a little bit about how to incorporate organic ingredients into your diet.
The ingredients that you see here were all bought from the organic way, done by Biofoods, and they're all certified organic. What we're going to make today are some lovely, classic crab cakes. Let's see what we're going to get. So you put in a little bit of the organic coconut oil, and then you can throw in some onions, your garlic, and your ginger. They're colloquially known as something that can fight the common cold. Give it a bit of oil, a bit of turmeric. Curcumin, which is the active ingredient in turmeric, is increasingly thought to help prevent Alzheimer's. So we're going to put in some organic black pepper to help our bodies absorb that curcumin. So this is the part where Nelson's going to have to get his hands dirty.
So first what we're going to do is get the crab meat and just dump it all in there with our saute. Then, we'll take some breadcrumbs, 2 good scoops. Let's take our 1 egg, beaten egg, and some lemon zest. And take our green onion, chopped green onion, and some cilantro. It's cilantro, isn't it?
Yeah.
And a pinch of salt, or a pinch or 2.
2.
Take a little bit of ginger. Maybe I'll put 2 little small pinches. And
Get your hands dirty.
get in there. So once we get this going, you start to remember the things that you forgot. One of the things I forgot to put in is our lime juice. So let's just sneak it in there. There we go. So I'm just going to, just based on the consistency here, we're going to add some more breadcrumbs. It wasn't quite getting,
Cakey enough.
yeah, cakey. Cakey,
It's a word. It's a word.
it's a word, yeah. I guess we'll go for nothing too big so we can cake it out well. Cake it out.
You flatten it. You can make it however big or small. Really, it's entirely up to you. I'm just trying to make it round. And then you coat it in your breadcrumbs. A nice flat cake, crab cake.
Okay, so now we're going to take our organic coconut oil and fry up our crab cakes. Carefully place your crab cakes in the pan. And then we'll fry them until they're golden brown.
So there we go. Crab cakes. Crab cakes that are organic for the most part.
For the most part.
Yeah. But that's how you start. You start little by little.
Exactly. And then, as you can see, they're nice and golden and brown.
So I'm going to eat
And
one.
crispy. Here.
Because I want to. Not because people are making me do it.